Good morning guys, today I am back with another do it yourself video. Today I will show you how to change your cabin or AC filter of a Honda City. So it's a very simple task. If you don't have a clean AC filter, the AC will not function at optimum level and the airflow will be reduced drastically. So please see this video, and it is very easy. You need not go to any workshop. To open this, it's very simple. I will squeeze this particular area. It's very simple. You see, it's like this. I'll just squeeze it like this. So I have removed the glove box, and there is the filter. So here are two locks. This is one lock and there is another lock. So I have opened it. This is the filter. Oh, horrible, man. Look at the condition of this filter. Do you expect air to come from this particular filter? Such is the horrible condition, and I think rats used to visit this particular car. The entire filter is totally destroyed. So that's why I was getting very less air through this particular AC vents. Look at inside. Okay, so now I'll fix the new one. This is the Honda genuine filter we have procured from local store. You can also get online. One problem with Honda getting genuine OEM products is little bit difficult. Now while installing, you remember this, how you should keep this particular filter inside. So this side will go up. Okay, so this side will go up like this. I have shown you the orientation. Slide it inside gradually. Okay, so as you can see, the air is coming from upper vent and it will go this side. This is the blower. So I have installed the filter successfully. The filter has been fitted. Now I will place the cover. So the cover has been placed successfully, and now I will install the glove box back. Very easy. Just slide this two particular grooves and simply slide it inside. You are done. So you can easily replace your AC filter without any problem, and you don't need to visit any garage or any workshop to do this job. Hope you have find this video useful, and if you have any questions regarding it, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye.